medium. The question is, my family is in Pensacola. Can you do my nails when I get there? Oh yes, Bella. Hit me up with that, Bella. Absolutely. Let me know when you come to town. One of this day I'm gonna own Kiara's guy e-file. You know why? Because it has a speed digital that I can see in it. Then tell you what it is. So it goes right there. Okay, so I'm gonna do it closer, and basically I'm shaping the whole entire the file smooth all entire the nail. So this is great if you feel like really uncomfortable with your any of like ceramic beads or metal, whatever that tire beads you're using. Always go back to the sand beads. Sand beads can become your best friends to doing like custom set. Every a different way, I think, but if I was like feeling, give me 1 second, I'll answer the question. Hey Don. Zebra.
You should use zebra stuff or something.
Zebra. Hold on, Dom, is that zebra chanfafoy you mean? What are you?
I think you just use zebra stuff, like anything zebra.
We have zebra, we have, I think we do have it, like, right? Cheetah, zebra?
You have zebra, you have tiger, you have leopard, you have cheetah.
Yeah, I think it's and there's more to come. I'm excited. Okay, so then you're gonna do 45-degree close to the cuticles. You can see how I'm holding it. And then when you go into the body of it, this is gonna be some tip and trick for beginners. And you keep your sand beads flat. Look like I'm going back and forth, but actually I'm doing it this way, and then I'm leave it up. I leave it up, and I'm going back and do it again. It looks like I'm going back and forth, but actually I'm just doing it one way. Right? All right, so I'm going to using, I know, I drop it so many times, Nuna. You know, I have this one and I drop the other one too. Nina, I did have this one service like couple times. I don't know if I drop it, but they service it, they fix it, and they still like that. And then this is the third one. I'm so bad with stuff. I may send it again, I guess. I have two of them. And one of mine is hand piece is, I don't know what happened to that. It's just dead in less than a year. I never have that happen with pupa though, but don't take my word for it. Probably I drop it or something, you know. I will change I know Nuna is good. Nuna is so good with that. Okay, changing it to my ceramics base. It was really smooth before, and it's now since I drop it. I think my hand piece though. Yeah, I need to get a new, like this is my second one. I have the other one too. I have the Phantom too. And that's how it does happen too. So clumsy. Drop it. I drop it in like one time, two time, and then took it to the service. So with this one, I am going to go around with the cuticle. You okay? Did you want to get your nails done?
No.
Bella, if you're still there, Bella's from Instagram. When you are in town, let me know. All right. Not much of filing because just before I move the tray away. It's cool. But this is one of few fruit that we pick. We have a lot of them. Like, it's hard to chew. So the keys here, if you try to get the cuticles, like when you place your beads, getting close to the cuticle, but it's not like, it's just a hair away from the cuticles. So then it saves you so much time from the troubles as well to trying to find, because when it get into the cuticles, you don't want to cut the client's cuticles. Especially it's happened, and it's gonna become like a lot with beginners. Then I'm just trying to share the tip and trick so then you can avoiding it. Your nails look so much better. I'm gonna compare this one again. And put the good. When you wash your hair, good. I'm gonna send out.